finally, we have Gauss's theorem. So yung Gauss's divergence theorem naman, ang sinosolve natin, double integral o yung surface integral of a vector field. So ito ang surface integral of a vector field. Now, there are two ways on how to solve the surface integral of a vector field. So yung definition, now sa definition, may dalawang ways. Either kung yung surface S mo ay naka-Cartesian mode, so kung Cartesian mode ito, z is equal to g of x comma y, then it could be answered using the double integral of the vector valued function dot the gradient field whose element is negative g partial of g with respect to x, negative partial of g with respect to y comma y dA over the region D. Now, ano tong region D na to? D is the projection of S onto the xy plane. Okay? So, dito, double integral na lang siya over A. So, kung yung D mo, it depende kung yan ba ay type 1, type 2, o kaya naman ay polar coordinates. Okay? Similarly, kung parametric naman, ang S mo, S is parametrized by a parametric equation, ang vector value, ang surface integral of vector field mo, you can express it as a double integral of F parametrized by R dot the norm. Oops, sorry, I don't think this is the norm. This is, sorry. I believe this is wrong. Let me check. Yeah, this is wrong. Sorry. This should be RU cross RV. Walang, yeah, walang ano, walang, walang magnitude or norm. Sorry. So it's F evaluated at the parametric at the parametrization ni S, tapos dot RU cross RV, or yung partial ni R with respect to U cross R, o cross partial ni R with respect to V. At ano yung D? D yung domain ng UV. So pwede dito ang UV mo ay pwede ka ulit na type 1 dito or type 2 o di kaya naman polar ulit. So, kung ililink natin yung lesson natin sa Stokes theorem, ang Stokes, ito yung Stokes theorem natin, line integral of vector field is equal to the double integral of curl dot n d sigma over a surface S. Kung ito yun, kukopihin natin ito, curl F. In short, kung curl F ito, isa-solve mo ngayon ang Stokes theorem either by definition, tapos silingan mo kung yung surface S mo ay Cartesian or parametric. Tapos ito ay curl F, ito ay curl F. Okay? And kung yung surface mo ay, kung ang surface mo ay boundary ng isang solid G, so closed solid G, boundary siya, dito kasi yung surface mo pwedeng paraboloid, open siya, open sa ilalim. Dito, G is closed. Then, to solve this using Gauss divergence theorem, it would be the triple integral of the dv of f with respect to v over the solid G. So that's a technique on how to solve this surface integral of a vector field. Dito, yung dv mo, it can either be type xy, type yz, type xz, at yung sa rectangular, o kaya naman cylindrical coordinates, or spherical coordinates. Okay?